Today I'm going to be working on stiffening up some of the differential stuff on the car. So what we have here is Torque Solutions upper diff mount bushings or diff mount inserts. Show you what that looks like. Just simple, should be simple. It's got the Torque Mount Solutions bushings have a polyurethane. I believe this is I want to say 85 durometer, might be 90 durometer hardness bushing. Then you just got this little insert that goes in. You mount that inside the diff mount, in the upper diff mounts. So I'll show you that when we get to it. The other thing we're going to be doing today is we're going to be swapping out. Don't know if y'all know what that is. Cusco sticker. Cusco instructions. And some washers. I'll show you what those washers are for here after a little bit. Okay, so got my knife. The easiest place to open this from. So from what I know, these should be pretty much straightforward swaps. Nothing crazy. So, alrighty. With that being said, let's go get the diff inserts done, and then we'll go from there. These two bolts right here, well, these nuts right here, those two nuts have to come out, and then we'll slide our our brace in there. So let me see. The only thing you should need is a 17 millimeter. That was easy. We might need a jack too. Might need a jack to jack up the rear differential. But we will look at that here in a few minutes. I'm just going to put a tiny amount of grease on just the bushing part. You're going to push that in. And that, yeah, we're going to have to put a jack under here. Got that jacked up. crap on. Alright, that's the start of one. Careful not to pinch that wiring harness. Let me go get my torque wrench. We're going to torque it down to 52 foot-pounds. Okay, there's that one. Alright, I'm gonna have to take those back off. That's gonna drive me crazy. Alright, I'm gonna get my logo straight and then I'm gonna put it back together. Well, I'm going to loosen the bolts up, try to turn the bushing so that way my logos look right, and then we'll be on to the differential carrier. Okay, so the next thing we got to do is pull off the carrier bolts. So that one, those two, and that one. And then this carrier will drop down. So once we do that, holy crap, I got it. There it is. Alright, well, I'm gonna go ahead and take this out without recording, and then we'll meet you back at the table.
Okay, so once you remove your old differential carrier, what you want to do is lay it on the table. As you see, put the bolts through it, and you kind of want to marry them together like this. Because what you're going to do is you're checking to see if you're going to need the spacers. When you get the two pieces together, look down where the mounting surface is. If there's a height difference, then you will have to use the supplied spacers. One of the more difficult parts of putting this together is trying to hold the washers while putting it on the studs. Just take your time and eventually you'll get it up there. Sorry, I temporarily get distracted by the exhaust gasket that needs to be fixed.